Hi students, let us see a program on bubble sort technique. What we do in the sorting technique? We arrange all the elements in ascending order or descending order. Okay. So to perform this sorting operation, we have the various algorithms. One of the technique is bubble sort. So what we do inside this bubble sort? We sort the adjacent elements by comparison and we place it in the proper order. Let's see the theory first, then I explain the. See, in the sorting, I have the different techniques are there, like bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, heap, radius, etc. First, let's see the bubble sort. So, in the bubble sort, this is the algorithm. What we do is, first A of 0 is compared with the A of 1, and we perform the swapping operation, nothing but exchange of the two elements. If A of 1 is greater than A of 2, if the second element is greater than the first element, the largest element is placed at the end of the index. So instead of greater than, descending order, we can write here less than also. So then after that, A0 with A1, A1 with A2, A2 with A3, like this, we perform the operation. Why? By continuing these steps, we need to perform the operation up to n-1 passes. What is the pass here? Let's see here. Let's see, this is an example for the bubble sort. See, I have the elements here. This is my input. Okay, 5, 1, 4, 2, 8. So first I compare this. If it has take this as the array A of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. A of 0 is compared with the A of 1. A of 0 is greater than A of 1. Then I perform the swapping operation here. Then, so when I perform the swap operation, what happens? 5 comes to here and the 1 comes to here. So 1 is placed here, 5 is placed here. So this is over. Okay. Next, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. A of 0, A of 1 is over. Now I compare A of 1 with the A of 2. If A of 1 is greater than A of 2, again perform the swapping operation. Again swap. So 4, 5. Next, you perform this A of 2 with the A of 3. 5, 2. Let's perform the swap operation. Next, 5, 8. So here, this is condition fails. A of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. A of 3 is greater than A of 4. Condition fails. We don't require any swapping operation. That's why I wrote it here as no swap. Okay. So find this. So this is completely, we call it as a one pass. Okay. So like this, again you need to perform the operation, comparison operation with the values with the 1 and the 4. And if it is not, swapping is required. 4 and 2 swapping is required. So please 2, 4. Then 4, 5 swapping is required. 5, 8 swapping is required. So this is the pass 1. This is the pass 2. Next here, in the pass 3. So 1, 2 swapping is not required. 2, 4 not required. 4, 5 not required. 5, 8 not required. Pass 3. So just within the past 3 passes only, I got the elements in the sorted order, because I need maximum n-1 passes. Okay, so there are the 5 elements are there, so I require the 4 passes, but within the 3 passes only, I got the elements all are in the sorted order. So let's see the same concept, theory concept, how to implement using the programming. So here I'm taking the number of the elements, and as well as I'm storing all those elements here. After that, numbers before sort I'm displaying, then numbers after the sort I'm displaying here. Okay, so for the simplicity operation, just this is my one output. But the thing is, I would like to take the only 3 elements. So those 3 elements I stored inside an X. Then before sort I'm displaying. Then after sorting, let's see the procedure here. Okay. So this is the for loop, and this is the if. So this is if close, and this is inner for close. So I need a nested loop to implement this my bubble sorting technique. So this is the outer for close. So after that operation, displaying the values here. Let's see the implementation here. Let us assume my n equal to 3 elements. Okay, my array name is the x 0 1 2. And let us assume I store the values here 5 2 something 9. Okay. So let's take here 5 4 2. Okay. So initially here I equal to 0, 0 less than 3, condition true, and j equal to 0, 0 less than n minus 1, it's a true. Okay, n minus 1 is how much? 3 minus 1 2. Okay, so x of j, what is mean by x of j? 5 is greater than x of j plus 1. J plus 1 is nothing but a 0 plus 1 4. 5 is greater than 4. Yes, this condition is the true. Then what I'm doing is I'm taking temp equal to x of j. X of j is value is the 5. Then x of j nothing but a at the 0th location, x of j plus 1. J plus 1 value is the 4. I store it here. Next, x of j plus 1. Nothing but a first position. I store the value 5 here. Means after this operation, so these values, 2 values are swapped. At the 0th location, what we need to store? We need to store here 4. First location 5. So that I modify here. So 0th location 4. First location 5. Okay, so if is over, after that it goes to where? Inner for loop. J value become 1. When j is the 1, now again the same process. When j equal to 1, I equal to 0. 1 is less than 2. Yes, condition is the true. X of j. What is mean by x of j? It's a value 5. Next, greater than x of j plus 1. J plus 1 is nothing but a 1 plus 1 2. So the value we have the 2 here. So 5 greater than 2. Yes, this condition is the true. Then what happens? Temp equal to now here x of j, first location value. It's nothing but a 1. X of j nothing but a x of first equal to x of j plus 1. J plus 1 is nothing but a 2 here. Next, x of j plus 1, nothing but a 1 plus 1. And the second location equal to temp. Temp equal to how much? 5. So after this operation, at the first position, you store, at the first position you store the value 2, and at the second position you store the value 5. So 4 to 5. Then again what happens? J will be incremented. J value become the 2. 2 less than 2, condition false. Whenever it is false, again now it goes to outer for loop. So I value become now 1. Okay. When I equal to 1, 1 less than 3, the condition is the true. Okay. So j equal to 0 it will take. Next. Now x of j. X of j is nothing but a 0. 0 at 0 location I have the value 4. 4 is greater than x of j plus 1. J plus 1 is nothing but a 2. 4 is greater than true. Then you perform the swap operation. Nothing but a 2 will come to here and 4 comes to here. Okay. After this, j value becomes the 1. Then x of j is how much? 4. Okay. X of j plus 1, nothing but a 4 greater than 5. The condition is the false. When the condition is the false, j value becomes the 2. So 2 less than 3. Okay. And minus 1. In minus 1 is the 2 less than 2. So condition fails. When condition is the fails, I value become how much? 2. Okay. So when I is the 2 less than 3, the condition is true. Again j equal to 0. When j equal to 0 here, so I equal to j equal to 0. X of j is the 4 is greater than j 0. Sorry, x of 0 5. Okay. So x of j is nothing but 0 means 2. X of j plus 1, 2 greater than 4, condition is false, it doesn't modifies, j equal to 1. Then x of j is nothing but a 4 greater than 5, condition false, j value becomes the 2. Then x of j, so 2 here less than 3, condition false, I value becomes the 2 less than 2, condition false, I value becomes the 3. And 3 less than 3, condition false. When this condition is false, completely out of the loop. Now I have the values here sorted one, 2, 4, 5. Okay, let's run it here. Giving the 3 elements. Something I'm giving 5, 4, 2. Sorry, I entered the 5 elements 5, 4, 2. Something I'm giving the 10, 20. So yeah, 5, 4 to 10, 20. After that sorting 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Like this I perform the vocal sort operation here.